Now, terrorists continue to target security forces in Jammu and Kashmir. In the latest incident here, a special police officer has been shot dead by terrorists in Hari Parigam area of Pulwama district. At 11 p.m. last night, terrorists barged into the house of SPO Fayaz Ahmed, fired indiscriminately at him. His wife as well as his daughter also received critical gunshot. They were rushed to a local hospital where the SPO, his wife Raja Begum, succeeded. In fact, she has now succumbed to the injuries there. The daughter Rafia died at the hospital in Srinagar. Security forces have cordoned off the area and to nab the terrorists. This is the third such attack on Jammu and Kashmir police officers in as many as last 10 days itself. On June 22nd, the police officer Parvez Ahmed Dar was shot at by two unidentified terrorists in Srinagar's Naugam area. He succumbed to his injuries later at a local hospital. On June 17th, another cop, Javed Ahmed, was shot at by terrorists near his residence in Srinagar. He also succumbed to his injuries.
In the late evening, militants barged in the house of Fayaz Ahmed Butt in Hari Parimpura of the Tral area in Pulwama district. 3 members of the family, including Fayaz Ahmed, got killed in this terror attack, and also the area has been now cordoned off and the searches are going on to nab the attackers in the area. It is not the first incident of terror in the Kashmir. Since last 7 days, 10 terror incidents occurred in different parts of the Kashmir Valley, where mostly the security personnel as well as the political leaders were targeted. The security agencies believe that this cycle of violence has started after the process of political stability and political activities had been launched across the Jammu and Kashmir, particularly by calling the first time meeting on Jammu and Kashmir by Prime Minister himself on 24th of June. And the militant groups did not want any kind of stability or peace in the Jammu and Kashmir. With Rauf Ahmed, Ashraf Wani, for India Today in Srinagar.
जम्मू कश्मीर में स्ट्रॉन्ग डेमोक्रेटिक एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस शुरू हो चुका है और ये 370 के ख़त्मे के साथ शुरू हो गया है। एक चीज़, कुछ डिफीटेड एंड डिस्ट्रक्टिव फोर्सेस, उनमें हताशा, निराशा और पूरी तरह से हाहाकार की स्थिति ज़रूर हो सकती है, लेकिन एक बात समझने की ज़रूरत है कि जिस डेमोक्रेटिक एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस को जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की जनता ने शुरू किया है, उसको कोई भी उसमें न रोड़ा अटका सकता है, न उसको रोक सकता है।
मुझे लगता है कि पाकिस्तान अभी बाज नहीं आ रहा है, तो एक बार मैं मोदी जी से अपील करूंगा, जिस तरह बालाकोट की स्ट्राइक उन्होंने की, एक बार दोबारा पाकिस्तान को दबाए ताकि पाकिस्तान ऐसी हिम्मत न करे।
I don't think India or Kashmir can depend on these terrorists for derailing the process of normalization. I don't think the state can make its initiatives contingent upon the actions of such